Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll draw this model here from studycadcam site in FreeCAD as a practical exercise. So now with the FreeCAD open, what to do in this start page is to create a new document, and now here select path design or bench, and now create body and create a new sketch in axis plane. Okay, what we'll draw in this first sketch here is this arc here. We'll draw this arc with a radius of 120 and this angle here 60 degrees. So we come back to this sketch here and we select this arc tool here, and now we click in this horizontal line and click in this origin point and draw this arc here. And next we select this line tool. We connect this center point to this end point here, and now select this line and click in this icon. And now this line here is a construction line. Okay, and next here we select this constraint and we set the radius of this arc here to 120, and next zoom out, and now we'll set the angle between this line here and this horizontal line. So what to do is to select this constraint here and select these two lines, and here we set an angle of 6 degrees. And now leave this sketch here, press home, and next what to do is to create a new sketch. Select XY plane and now select the cycle tool here and draw a cycle in this origin point. And now here we can see the diameter of the cycle. So here we have this diameter here 50, and we have this thickness here. So the diameter of this cycle here will be 60. So we change the diameter here to 60, and now leave this sketch here. Press home, and now we go to model and select this sketch here, and we go to additive pipe tool and click in this button here, and now select this sketch, and we have this part here, and now click OK. And next here what we'll create is this part here. To create this part here, what you have to do is to select this bottom face here and now create a new sketch. And here we will go to sketch geometries and we select run the rectangle tool. We draw this rectangle, and now here we'll set the dimension for this rectangle here. So in this drawing page we can see these horizontal dimensions here. We have 90 and 40. Okay, so here we select this horizontal distance tool. We select this origin point and now this point here, and we set 40. And now this point and this point here, and we set 90. Okay, and now in the top view we can see this vertical dimension 120 and a radius of 15 for this arc. Okay, so here we select this constraint here and we set the radius of this arc here to 15, and now select this vertical distance tool. Select this point and this point here and set 120. And now to full constraint this rounded rectangle, what we have to do is to select this symmetry constraint and select these 2 points here and now this horizontal line. Okay, and now leave this sketch here. Press home and go to this pad tool. The length of this pad here we can see on this view here we have 15. So here we change to 15 and OK. And next here we create this pocket here. So we create a new sketch in YZ plane. Switch to section view, and next we select this tool here, external geometry tool, and extract this edge here. And now we select this rectangle tool and we draw this rectangle. And now what to do is to delete these constraints here, these vertical constraints. OK, Okay, and next here we select the symmetric constraint and we make these 2 points of this line here symmetric to this vertical line, and now these 2 points symmetric to this vertical line here. And next here we can see this horizontal dimension, we see this vertical dimension and this angle here. So what to do here is to select this horizontal distance tool, select this line and set 7, and now select this constraint here, select these 2 lines, and here we set 45. And next select this vertical distance tool, select these 2 points here, and here we set 3 millimeters, and now leave the sketch and go to pocket tool, check this option symmetric to plane, and here we set Revolved, and now click OK. And what we'll do next is to create these walls here. Okay, so we go to this document and we select this face here, we create a new sketch in this face, and what to do here is to select this tool, and extract these 2 edges. Okay, and next here we select the cycle tool, we draw these 2 cycles in this point, and next we draw this cycle here, and now we select these 2 cycles and click in this icon equal constraint, and now select these 2 cycles and equal constraint. Okay, and now we select this tool here and we select these points, okay, and next we select the symmetric constraint tool, we select this point and this center point here and this point, and now it's symmetric. So now let's see the dimension of these cycles here. So okay guys, here we see a diameter of 10 for the cycle here, so we come back and we select this tool, here we set 10 millimeters, and now in this view we can see a diameter of 18 and 11. So here we select the cycle and we set 11, and for this cycle here we set 18, and we leave this sketch here, and next click on this pocket tool. The length of this pad will be 8 millimeters, so we change here to 8, and now click OK. And next select this face and this face, and now this face here, and go to pocket tool, and here we set triangle and OK. And next here we go to model and we select this pocket and this pocket, and we go to this tool here, and what to do here is to select this axis plane, so click here and select axis plane and click OK. So now we have this. Okay, and next here we'll create this part here. So to do that, what we do is we have to create a new sketch in axis plane. Okay, and here we switch to section view, and next select this tool here and extract this edge, and now select this line tool and draw this horizontal line here, and next select this rectangle tool, click in this horizontal line, and now draw this rectangle. And next we select this line here and click in this icon, and now this line is a construction line. Okay, so now let's see the dimension for the sketch here. Here we have a diameter of 14, so the length of this line here will be 20, Okay, and what to do next is to select this tool here, extract this edge, and now we select these 2 points and vertical constraint. Okay, and now we'll set the position of this line here. So here we see this distance 50. So what to do here is to select this vertical distance tool, select this point here, and now this point, and here we'll set 50. Okay, and now we can leave the sketch in this way. So we'll leave the sketch, clicking this button here, and now go to this revolution tool, and here we set this option, construction line 1, and now click OK. And next, create a new sketch in X plane. Select this tool here and extract this edge, and now switch to section view and select this rectangle tool and draw this rectangle in this way and leave this sketch. Go to pad tool and check these options, Symmetry to plane. Okay, and the length of this pad will be 12. Change here to 12 and enter, and now we have this. Okay, and next here we'll create this part here. So we create a new sketch in X plane again, switch to section view and now select this tool here and extract this edge and this edge here. Okay, and now select this arc tool, clicking this center point, and now in this origin point and clicking this line here. And next select this line tool, clicking this arc here and draw this line. Okay, and again clicking this arc tool, clicking this point here, and now in this point and in this horizontal line. And now we select this line here and this arc and clicking this icon here. Okay, and next we select this tool here and we create a point in this line here, and now we select this point and this arc and clicking this constraint here. Okay, so now we can see the dimension for this sketch here. Here we have 9. Okay, and we have this angle here. So what to do here is to select this constraint here, select this line and this line here and set 20 degrees. And now select this constraint here, select this point and this point, and here set 9. And now we have to set the vertical position of this line here. So here we don't have. So what to do here is to select this vertical distance tool, select this point and this point, and here we can set 7, and now leave this sketch. Okay, press home, and now we create a new sketch. We can create the X plane. Switch to section view and now select this rounded rectangle tool and we draw a rectangle in this way. Now select this matte constraint and select these 2 points here and now this origin point. And next select this equal constraint and we make these 2 lines equal. Okay, and now we can see this dimension for this rectangle. We have 32 and the radius of 5. So we select this tool here. Here set 5, and next is we select this horizontal distance tool. click here and in this point and we set it to, and now leave the sketch, go to model, and what to do here is to select this sketch and click on mouse and go to attachment editor, click in this button and now select this sketch and click OK. And now we select this sketch again and go to additive pipe tool, click in this button and now select this sketch and OK. And now we have this part in this way. So next here what we'll do is to create this cylinder here. So here we go to additive filters and we select additive cylinder. Okay, and first here we select this face and we select this option here, inertial CS, and now select this option, flip sides, and now we'll change the radius and the height of the cylinder here. So here we see this diameter 110. Okay, and we see this length here 12. So here we set 12 and here will be the half of this dimension. So now click OK, and next here we'll create these pockets, these circles here. So what to do is to select this face and create a new sketch. Okay, and here we'll draw a cycle. Okay, and now we see this dimension here. We have here a diameter of 90 for this cycle here. So the horizontal dimension between this point here to this point will be the half of 90. Okay, and the diameter of this cycle here will be, okay, we can set 8 millimeters. Okay, and now leave the sketch, and next we go to this wall tool. Okay, and what we'll set here we set isometric regular profile, and now here we change to this reference, and now click OK. And next here we go to model and we select this wall here and go to polar pattern tool. Okay, here I'll change the number of occurrence to 6. Change here to 6 and click OK. And now we'll create this pocket here. So to do this, we go to this document and here we select this face here and we create a new sketch. In this sketch we'll draw 2 cycles. So we select the cycle tool, click in this origin point and draw the cycle, and now draw the second cycle and select this cycle here, click in this icon, and now this cycle is a construction geometry. Okay, and next we select this tool here and we create points in these 2 cycles, and now we select these 2 points and click in this horizontal constraint. Okay, and next we select this constraint here. We constrain the diameter of this cycle to 50. Okay, and next we select this horizontal distance tool. We select this point and this point, and here we'll set 8 millimeters, this distance here. We set 8, and now leave the sketch. Okay, and next we create a new sketch. Can be an axis plane. Switch to section view and select the cycle tool. draw the cycle here with a diameter of 4 millimeters. Here we have radius of 2 millimeters. So the diameter of the cycle will be 4. And now leave the sketch here. Go to model and select the sketch here. Then click on mouse and go to attachment editor. Click in this button and now select this cycle and select this option here, normal to edge, and click OK. And next again select this sketch and go to, and now we go to this groove tool. Select this sketch here and go to this pipe tool, and now as object we select this cycle and click OK. And now we have this. Okay, and next here we go to this additive pipe tool and we click in this arrow. Okay, and here we select these two sketches. Select this sketch here and then click on mouse and go to this copy option. Select only this sketch and click OK. And now click in this past icon. Now we drag this sketch into this body here, and now spacebar to make this sketch visible, and now double click. And what we'll do here is to change the diameter of this cycle to this dimension 50. So we switch to section view, double click in this dimension and set 50, and now leave this sketch. Go to model, and next here we select this tool here, this pipe. Go to model, and here we select this sketch, and now click in this button here, and now select this sketch and click OK. Okay, select this cylinder tool. Now select this face here and select this option, inertial CS. Okay, and next what to do is to change the radius and the height of this cylinder. So okay, here we have a diameter of 10, so here we'll set 5 for the radius, and the height here will be 25. We can set 25, and now click OK. And next click in this tool again and select this face here and OK, and select this option here, flip sides, and now here we change the radius to 8 to 9 millimeters, and the height will be 6, so we change here to 6 and click OK. And now we have this. Okay, and next here to create these wall here, what to do is to go to this revolution operation, click in this arrow, and now click in the sketch here, and click on mouse and go to this copy option, and here we'll copy this sketch. Now click OK and click in this past icon, and now we drag this sketch here into this body, and now spacebar to make this sketch visible, and double click in this sketch. And what we'll do in this sketch here is to change the length of this line here. So we'll change the length of this line to the half of this dimension, 25. So here we'll set this formula, and now close this sketch, and next we go to this groove tool. I will select this option and click OK. And now we have this wall. And next here we have to do this chamfer operation here with the size 2 millimeters. So what to do is to select this edge and go to chamfer tool, change the size to 2 millimeters and OK. And now we have this part. And as you can see, we finished the design of this model here. Thank you for watching this video.